welcome back to my monopod analysis videos on Wednesday 5th of September with me, which market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen, which continues to climb higher really. I mean, there is a slight positive bias within what continue to see is sort of a consolidation really in the recent months. But there is still this sort of slight positive bias in the fact that the momentum indicators are sort of edging positively. The MACD RSI is above 50 and climbing. The MACD lines are now having crossed higher and now climbing. The stochastics are sort of positively set up really, and it's now sort of reflective of the fact that we're back above this 1140 old level, which although isn't a hard and fast pivot, it's basically a decent gauge, isn't it? And trading sort of back above it this morning within this uptrend, you're still sort of moving higher, and it sort of edges towards a test of 1180 and 1215 being the two resistance levels from August and then early August and late August. So I think it's sort of a market that's sort of moving in that direction. I just don't think it's a very interesting market at all to play at the moment. There is, as I said, this is the hourly chart where you've got this sort of slight positive bias. You've got a nice little near-term pivot at 1115 area. And you're sort of posting higher lows, but just edging rather than decisively pulling higher. Momentum indicators on the hourly, sort of anything between 40 and 50 on the RSI seems to be supportive now for the market. MACD line still positively set up, but just not really getting too much traction. Although there is, as I said, positive bias, but you'd rather be short, long than short on this market. But it's just at the moment, it's just really is difficult to get any real sort of traction out of this, but yeah, it is a positive market nonetheless in terms of direction. So wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.